In today's video, I'm going to show you this awesome Zen Sand that I received from CoolStuff.com. The set comes with 500 grams of kinetic sand that you can knead, sculpt, flatten and run through your fingers. The sand never dries out and it's not sticky, so it's easy to clean up once you're done playing. The set also comes with cartoon eyes, a cap, hands and a mouth which you can push into the sand. Zen Sand also comes with 5 moulds that you can use to make mini sand castles. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this Zen Sand in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!